Wait and see.
Here's something most people get wrong about the Wait and See AI Guides repo. It's not what you think.
So let's pull up the Wait and See repo on GitHub. It's vigil55.plywood's Wait and See guides, and there's a published site too at vigil55.github.io. At first glance, you might mistake it for just another link dump, but open the README and it's organized into 5 clear pillars: AI security, developer tools and agents, image and vision, no code and automation, and benchmarks and comparisons. This is a hand-curated, kept current catalog of free AI guides, scripts, Docker setups, hardware tune configs, all in one place.
5 pillars is a lot to take in. Can you walk me through what's actually in there? I'm curious what kind of guides a builder would actually use day to day.
Sure. Under Developer Tools and Agents, you've got the Daedalus Lite Guide, build your own local AI coding agent, plus deep dives on LangGraph versus MCP for no-code orchestration, and a prompt master skill walkthrough. The benchmarks and comparisons pillar is where it gets practical. Head-to-head model showdowns and real-world performance tests, so you're not guessing which local model to run.
Got it. I saw a newsfeed and a local AI and self-hosting section too. What's the angle there, and what about the deep dives like MetaVision or Agent Reach?
The local AI and self-hosting section is the heart of it. Run powerful AI models on your own hardware, no cloud required. And the deep dives are the standout pieces. A MetaVision 2.0 API deep dive, the Agent Reach deep dive, a free open source alternative to paid APIs, and a supertonic review asking whether local TTS is finally viable. There's even an Llama guide for running any LLM locally in 2026. Each one links out to further reading, like the 1kili repo and docs, with an FAQ for setup.
That's the Wait and See AI Guides repo, a curated current hub for free AI guides and local-first setups. If that's your kind of thing, consider subscribing. We've got more like this coming.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Wait and See, your signal through the noise of AI.